Alright, hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to be playing Dress to Impress. First ever video, I'm kind of scared. I'm going to be playing with my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
Alrighty. You're not really going to be able to hear him. I hope you can, but like, I do not know. First time ever. I'm scared. Alright, we're going to be playing Dress to Impress. Right, Cole?
Yeah.
I did not force him. I did not force him at all. It is okay, guys. I do not play Dress to Impress a lot, but I know I can be playing it. Wait, this girl's really pretty. My graphics are really low. Hold up. Hi, music volume low. Hide. Hold up. Let me change my graphic quality. This is probably just because my... I have no idea. I'm so sorry if you can hear my brother inside the background.
Gamer Lily Cat.
For real.
Who's laughing at
my brothers. Just don't mind them.
Next up is Space A7.
I'm gonna give that a 4.
4?
Mhm.
What is the
I do not have VIP or anything, so like, just not mind that. Mhm. I have no idea, Cole. I have no idea.
I'm giving that a 0, bro. That deserves a 0.
Alright. It's the thought that counts. 2 stars.
Nah, 0 stars.
A little harsh. Alright, let's see who won.
Just a friend.
My name tag should not be in here. Wait, it is. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. We're not gonna be seeing my name tag. It's gonna be night.
Bro, where are you who's in the forest?
I have no idea. Actually, no, I guess you can see my name tag. I have no idea. Hold up, let me see what percent my phone is at. I'm sorry, I am on a FaceTime with my cousin, so like, it's kind of hard for me to like talk to him. Especially with my brother screaming inside the background. Alrighty. No. Go. How about y'all quit? I'm gonna search up. 6 minutes? They're changing it to 6 minutes? I have not played in so long. Alright, so cool. I'll be able to hear you within the ranking. I'll be able to hear you in the ranking. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Mason, I know. It's like Shrek or something. Yes, or something. I'm so sorry about my brothers. Stop. Alrighty. I've not played in so long. Alrighty, color wheel, let's go. Greenish. Mason. Alright, cool. Alrighty. Already 4 minutes? Okay. Yeah. Wait, Jordan? Thank you. There we go. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Let's do these because these are pretty. Simple one if I can find one. Probably just like this. Alright, yep, just that. I'm gonna do the nails real quick. Just these. I'm just gonna do these. Alright. Alrighty, so now we can start onto the clothes. I am not very good at dress press, just to give y'all a heads up, so like, just don't mind it, please. Oh, Jordan. Yeah, I like it, yeah. Alrighty. Ooh. You forgot. Only 2 more minutes. There we go. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's just do this and then. Oh my gosh. I absolutely suck at this. Let's just do like a brownish. I don't know. I absolutely suck at this. I'm just gonna do like a skirt like that girl. I do not know. Alright, doing so well. Let's just do that. I'm just adding everything that I can find that I think will look good. Alrighty, so this is me. Just don't mind the shoes, no shoes. Alrighty. Time's up. Alright, Cole, they're most likely gonna be here to you again. Alright, Cole, so how are we gonna feel about the rating?
5 stars.
No.
What are we doing?
Okay, just rate everybody how you feel about their things.
Wait, what?
Just rate everybody how you feel about their things.
Okay, everybody?
Yeah, like rate how you feel about theirs.
Even you?
Yes. About how you feel about me. This is me, guys. I'm slaying. Alrighty. Here's Cole. Alrighty.
I did not want to do this.
Don't worry, guys. He wanted to do this. He's just acting like it.
No, I didn't want to do this.
Yes, he did. Just shush.
No, I didn't.
Guys, don't worry. He did. He's just mad.
No, I didn't.
I am Shrek.
Oh my god, are you serious? I am Shrek. And now.
Wait, no, this is really cute. I'm gonna give this like 5 stars. Sophia. That's not really like an ogre, and like I feel like she doesn't really like match the vibes. Should she have anything to say chat? No, I'm gonna give it a 2. 2 for effort.
Oh, we did two.
Yeah, 2 for effort.
I
Princess G.
No. Is that it?
Monster outfit.
Now.
Oh wow, this actually looks really good. Fiona, I'm guessing? Yeah, Fiona. That's 5 stars for that.
I'll give that a 3.
I'm giving her 5 stars. She looks really good.
5 stars?
Yeah, look, she looks like Fiona. I just don't really like the shoe, but it's okay.
And
Jalen,
last but not
you're not
least,
really
make
matching
noise
the
for
vibe.
Jalen. That is a 1.
I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
That is a 0.
Hold up. It was like a you know, I'm not doing that. I do not know how to spell.
Bro.
Alright, let's see. Alright, what place did I get to? I'm scared.
I swear, if you get more than
Oh,
me,
I got 6, okay. Both.
I got 5th. Let's go, I got more than 2. Wait, we got the same.
Alrighty,
Let's got a 5-star. Okay.
alrighty, I'm green. I'm like the green bean. Alrighty, so like you're not gonna be able to hear Cole again. Bye bye. You maybe hear him inside the background, but excuse me. Wait, this looks really cute. I'm gonna get that. Maybe. Don't I already have this? We already have something from it. Yeah, I own that. About to say, Alright, 2020. Let's see. Let's see. I already have pajamas. Yeah, I can do that. Let me go back onto Roblox. Alrighty, let's change my skin because I am not matching the vibes. Let's go to my skin tone. Let's do this. I feel like the hair would be like inside of a bun. You know what I mean? Like maybe like a messy bun. Yeah, I feel like a messy bun would be it. I don't know. Maybe wait. Let me do the bangs. Like maybe like this. I feel like that would look really good. Yeah, I like that. Just if you heard Cole saying no, I don't think so. Just don't mind him. I feel like that. All right, let's. Oh, my brother joined. Mason. You're just... Guys, don't mind that my brother joined. I do not know why. It's not funny. It's not funny. I do not know why he joined. No, Mason. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to find like something to like to wear as like pajamas. Already, I can do this. I know. This probably maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like go for this material default. No, maybe. Alrighty, let's see something if I could like find like a pattern, like pajama patterns. I'm trying to see if they have like a certain one. Like something like this, but like my cousin just mocked me. Do not mind him. Like this, yes, this, yes. Let's do pockets. No. Alrighty, now let's go over here to like. Let me see. I want to make it like lower gray. Alright, no, it does not look very good. This. No, my gosh, I'm struggling. Alright, it's okay. Let me find like if you could do like a cup in 2020. Like, where's the cup? There it is. Here's the cup. Alright, I feel like the cup would be like, oh, they changed it. Okay, let's do like a white and then like a very light pink cup. I can like do that. Hold up. Light pink, like a very light. Yeah, like that. That's cute. I like that. Like, let's make it like more pink, safe color. There we go. Everybody's doing like cow themed. I think I'm gonna have to go with a cow hat. Yeah, it's like a hat that's cow. I feel like 2020 was not really the cow thing, but like everybody's going for it. I'm gonna have to do it. Where is it? I'm gonna cry if I cannot find it and not work out. I'm gonna cry. Where's the cow thing? I swear some of y'all are gonna be seeing it and I'm just like going through it. No. Maybe I can go that? Oh wait. Yes, that. I don't know if they were doing like cow or not, but like Shit. Yes, this is me. Yeah, alright. Y'all are hearing Cole again.
Play. Oh.
I know, right? Alright,
What the heck was that?
Mom.
Miss you, bud. Miss you too. What did you give me, Riley?
I don't know, you'll have to see.
No!
This is not really matching the vibes of 2020. It was all tags.
That's goblins and gorgeous.
That is goblins. That is a goblin.
That's Shrek.
That is you. Wait, that's really cute. I feel like it's not really 2020, but like 2020 cosplay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. That is completely it. That makes way more sense. I want to get that. I used to have that, but like I restarted it. I'm probably just gonna like buy some stuff. That course that's cute, but like, this is cheaper. Alright, let's go back to this. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, just. What do you give me, Riley?
Oh yeah, that's really cool. I like that.
What is that dance? What the? Ass. Look at that.
Oh, the mask. Yes, the
I'm
mask.
facing into your mic. I'm like. I know. Last one always makes a noise for ASML. Ask me. That is a 5-star.
Girl, you just joined, but like I'm pretty sure you have the chance to like not join or not, like not join the game or not. I'm
I
not,
just joined.
girl. Alrighty, let's see the 2020.
You see?
I'm not up there again. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see. Where did I got fourth place? I got fourth place. I did really good. Cole, you got 6.
Hey, that's so unfair. How'd I get $40 and then Jalen got 45 and we have the same stars?
Well, you're not gonna be able to hear my cousin again. Bye bye. I keep on leaving my cousin. 3 stars. That's what I gave you. I suck at this. Elf, wait. I could do something good with this. Should I do like a Christmas elf? I feel like. Hold up. Elf. elf. See all images. I may have to go through more images. Look, that does look cute. But alright, let's skip past that. No, that's not good. Alright, this is gonna be the last round. I'm gonna have to go with this green. Let's make it like a little green. Wait, let me save this. Save color. Let me see, like, dress as Santa. There we go, yeah. Where is the buying? I know. Wait, do I have enough to buy this? I'm broke now, but like I wasn't broke like a while ago. Let's see, which one's better? That one does not reach to the stomach, so let's get it. Yes, this. Yes, this. Now let's get rid of. Hold up, let me find it. Oh my gosh. Space. Does that look good? I mean, that does kind of look like an elf. I would say that. Yeah, that looks like an elf. That looks good. Why am I bald? I just forgot. I'm bald. I'm just gonna pick this. Alrighty. No, I look so ugly. I need to put on shoes. I've been wearing all of these with no shoes. Oh, did you not have shoes either? Alrighty, Gucci flip-flops, make them kick rocks. Give it to that. Not Gucci flip-flops. Make them kick rocks. Alrighty, let's. I'm so sorry if you heard on the screen. Alrighty. Why does that look so bad? There we go. That looks better. Alrighty. Let's see see what else I have because I'm bored. Shoes. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do not have that much stuff. Alrighty, I'm done. Wait, no, I can add some like socks. Where are the socks? I'm just giving Cole a whole bunch of ideas. You just said. Me neither. Wait, actually, yes, I did, but like. Alright, that person's definitely gonna win. Most likely. Alrighty, guess who's coming back?
I don't know.
You.
How do you always come first, bro? Why do I always go second and you go first? Please, please. I go second. I go second. I go second.
Woohoo! Look how gorgeous Cole Car 2021 outfit is. What is that thing around your leg?
Oh, what do you mean?
That thing around your leg. Oh, that's more looking like Shrek. More like Shrek than an elf. I don't know why you're laughing.
What is that?
Shrek. Alright, that's really cute. I just don't really like yellow things. Or that necklace. Or the material.
This one better be good.
Is that an elf or like an ogre?
Is that a fairy?
Forced elf. Oh, alright.
What did he say?
It's a forced elf.
Oh. I'm so confused. Why is there some
I could have been the brand. Oh, that looks good.
Must be a fairy. What is that?
What do you think it is? Elf.
Can't even say it.
Cutesy. Is that a hood elf?
What?
Is that a hood elf?
But what? Why is she doing that?
Alrighty, you know what? You
Look at her nails.
you got that,
I am giving up. No. There's no way I'm doing that. Why is it forcing me to do one stuff?
because I'm probably gonna like,
Hey, last one up.
oh, bald? She's bald!
I'm not going to that. And why?
Didn't have
How
time.
did he get out?
I do not know. Alrighty, we did not place any. Closest I've gotten to is 4th.
How does the hood elf?
6. Alrighty. So that's the end of the video.
Oh, last
That's the end of the video. Say bye, Cole.
one.
Alrighty, bye guys.